Hey guys, I'm Justin. You're watching Cast and Blast. Today we are going to make some taco-style venison stuffed bell peppers. With the ingredients: taco seasoning, taco sauce, pound of venison, bell peppers, and tomatoes. I'm going to cut the bell peppers straight down the middle. We're going to pull the innards out. Repeat for the rest of the bell peppers. That's done. Next we're going to cook the ground venison. Now normally for burger you don't need any vegetable oil, but I'm going to put a little in the pot for this one. Ground venison's not so fatty, so it doesn't make its own grease so as much. Now that the venison is browned, we're going to add 3/4 a cup of water and the taco seasoning mix, and just stir that in there. Now we're going to put this on low heat and let it simmer while we prepare the bell peppers. Some vegetable oil on the bell peppers. Nothing crazy. Now we'll scoop the meat in. The oven preheating for 350 degrees. And go ahead and dice some tomatoes. We've got the tomatoes diced in on there. Now we'll add some cheese and taco sauce and then put them in the oven. The timer on the oven for 20 minutes. But I am going to check on them a little before that just to see how they're looking. Once they start to look a little soggy, they'll be done. They are out of the oven, and the last step is just to add a little sour cream. That's it. They are ready to eat.